What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man, back with another POV. As y'all can see, it's been a long time coming. I done did something new to the whip, as you can tell by the title. We finna get straight into it, man. If you are new, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? We got the stops on today, so you know we got time to play. Feel me? But I want y'all to feast y'all eyes on it right here, cuz. Hello. Get me right. Yeah. Come on, Car. I know y'all rocking with it. Peep the detail. Peep the detail. We ain't done, though. Man, steering wheel coming eventually. Y'all like the video. Get this video to 500 likes. I'll buy a steering wheel tomorrow. No cap. I'm trying to say, I try to get this. This don't look, on camera it look a little different. You got to match this, because this white, but it ain't white, like pure white. You know what I'm saying? But it look good on camera. Feel me? Peep that leather game. All done by me. Don't ask me to do yours. Like, all done by me. That wasn't that bad, though. I ain't gonna lie. It really ain't that bad. Niggas just suck at explaining how to do this on YouTube, bro. So I don't know. Just watch 12 videos and piece what you learned the most out of all 12 videos, and you'll get it done. But anyway, peep the white. You know what I'm saying? With the detail. Cause you know I go white on the side. You know I go white on the side, gang. That big girl kind of weird. You know I go white on the side. White on the side, And then, bro, y'all, let me tell y'all about this nigga right here. Bro, this nigga right here, gang. Hold on. Future, you already got money. This nigga right here, cuz. This be funny. This nigga done talked to me for like, I don't know how long. Him and Shorty. But I ain't gonna really, you know what I'm saying, do it like that. They cool people, but this nigga right here, cuz. This be funny, gang. Older nigga. This nigga came up to me like, what's up, cuz? And he was like, but I know you. That nigga like, hold on. That nigga like, cuz, I know you. I'm like, what? Nigga ain't even from here. What you talking about? Man. Nigga talking something. Cuz, I know you for so, you know, shake your hand like we at a cookout. And nigga just, you feel me? That nigga just talking, he talking about what? Talking about we used to hoop. I mean, not hoop, but like, I think we probably don't hoop play ball. So he do look familiar though. I'm like, damn, you do look familiar, bro. But like, not like that kind of familiar. Just like, I done seen your face at an event. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. So I'm just like, my buddy on me. I'm trying to get gas, you feel me? And get ready to record. This nigga done talked to me twice. 10 minutes a piece. Had me cranking my car up and all. Just so he can hit on. This a real Hellcat? Yeah. Man, go on crank that thing up, man. Go on crank that thing up, man. Bro, that junk crazy. I don't even know if y'all boys can see me right now. Hopefully y'all can. I ain't got no good light in here. But, that nigga is funny, dog. That junk crazy. Look at them nigga, man. They getting, bro, Mustang owner doing it to his ass. Why my camera look like that, bro? Chill out. Why my camera fuzzy, bro? Y'all see that? Like, that be real life fuzzy. There you go. That don't tripping, but yeah, man, bro. My nigga, man. But nah, they went, but basically, long story short, cuz doing all that to basically just add me. That nigga pulled that nigga asked me in the smoothest way. I was like, in my head, I'm like, bro, I already knew it was something, bro. You smooth, you funny. That nigga gonna say, yeah, man. You know, my stepson, he got a little, you know, they basically want a donation, you feel me, for his football team. He got like a little whatever going on. They got the whole schedule on there. He told us, ain't no scamming, man. You know, I was like, man, I ain't got no cash, man. You take cash out there. I guess his girl, you know what I'm saying? She came and gave me her cash out. I just gave him a little token, bro. I don't even do that, bro. I really don't do that. Oh, I'm tripping. We gotta get the car right, man. He got me throw it off. But yeah, man. Y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all like that, bro. You know, I'm putting it on that white cocaine. Let me turn them. There you go. Gotta put it on that white cocaine on them boy, man. I'm on too hard, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't did a good mod in a minute, bro. I'm on too hard. We're gonna go custom. Feel me? Something slight. We turn the traction all the way off, though, man. When you hear that ding, you know what that mean. I supposed to been done my video, bro. I got stuff to do after this, bro. This man talking for like ever. Like, cuz really talking forever. Y'all, we getting a little exhaust. Oh, let me turn the brightness back on my phone. I'm tripping. Boy, I here doing cinematics. But now we finna, what you call it? Do a little smooth, you know what I'm saying? Smooth little POV drive, man. With the traction all the way off for the first time. On the stocks, you feel me? We not on that sticky Mickey. We on the slickies, you know what I'm saying? Real deal. Holyfield. When you were young, your grandma made you eat oatmeal by the... But yeah, hurry up and get a video for y'all, boy. It ain't gonna be too long. Stop beeping at me, nigga. Oh, that's a nigga that he beeping at me. I gave him that. Oh, and I forgot. Before we get into the video, my fault. This nigga also said, "Hey man, take my number down." Like he ain't asked me down one. He was just like, "Take my number down." I'm just like, all right, I'm faking the funk at this point. Like, dang, I'm faking the funk at this point. I'm like, all right, bro. What your number is? I just typed it in. Now you know I had to act like I was finna leave. So I get in the car. My car already on. I ain't want it on. I had to act like I'm finna leave. So I get in the car. You know what I'm saying? I ain't go nowhere, but I just closed the door. Soon as like, I walk off, man, I deleted, I backspace that mud so fast. I'm like, man, bro. Man, no, I want your number, man. I just gave, you got what you wanted. What you still faking the funk for? Like, this nigga real life still trying to be cool. And now he really want to be homie. He says a real cat. They be like, oh yeah, bro, we be cool for real. Nigga, get out my face, bro, respectfully. You know what I'm saying? I ain't mad enough. I'm just saying, like, bro, you won, cuz. You won the game. You won, bitch. You know what I'm saying? You try to act like you knew me. Number one black nigga, you know what I'm saying? Full effect. Nigga full effect. You know what I'm saying? When a nigga do that. When they play victim like they know you, don't even know you for real, and real life have you second guessing yourself. Oh yeah, boy, that nigga got you. That nigga got you. You might well give him your wallet. You know what I'm saying? That nigga finna hit you with that. Hey, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know you like kids and things. You know what I'm saying? You support, you feel me? Everybody, you know what I'm saying? Support kid, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a little, you know, stepson. Feel me? Playing football. Trying to get that nigga some snacks. And really all that for. Hold on, let me get one for y'all one time. Stick 'em! That more like butter, but somebody over here cooking chicken. Goodness. But yeah, man. My fault. Dang, I forgot that road lead to this way. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I gotta roll through it. It's already red. I mean yellow. Well, why is it glass in the road, gang? My fault, y'all. I'm looking over the camera. I'm gonna be kind of looking through it so I can make sure y'all both got a good view. Man. Let me roll that other window up. I ain't gonna lie. We need that wine today, cuz. Y'all want that wine or y'all want that exhaust, bro? Which one y'all want? You know what I'm saying? I don't know which one y'all boy want, man. Y'all boy comment down below. Y'all want more just wine in the video like these? You know what I'm saying? Like, window just being down right here. Hold on. You feel me? Like, y'all boy want that? Or y'all boy want, let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. But yeah. Anyway. I forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, Buddy got me. You know what I'm saying? Buddy got off, man. You know what I'm saying? When a nigga do that, they just got off. For real. Like, you can't. There ain't nothing you can do about it. Cuz just one up you. You know what I mean? Cuz just one up you, bro. That's how I look at it. I think this look a whole lot better. I'm not gonna hold you. The car just feels so free when the traction all the way up. You know what I mean? Like, be free. Be free. No. Oh, boy. Let me not go too far, man. Cause I ain't trying to go that far anyway, bro. I got stuff, you know what I mean? I got stuff to do, man. I wasn't even trying to go all the way down here. Oh. Ooh, that nigga just went between two cars. Call that nigga a garage, ugly. What I be talking about, bro? I roll my one on. I ain't gonna lie, that tent be looking deceiving that night. Ooh, but I got my traction off too. I ain't gonna do it, cause them boys. Oh yeah, stick 'em. Ooh, wee. Talk to me. Oh yeah. This stuff is cap. It is not real. Well, yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? What y'all boys on though? Oh, I feel a little crazy. Oh yeah, man. Y'all let me know again on how y'all like that right here though. This is what the video about, but also, you know what I'm saying, put a little POV in it. Oh no, I'm tripping. I'm not going that way. But you feel me? That's what this is, man. That's what it's about. That's what it's all about. I'm on hard. I would have showed y'all different colors. Obviously, y'all know it go different colors game. You know what I'm saying? Got the blue stitching. If you ain't seen it the first time, feel me? Blue stitching, good boy. You know what I'm saying? Boyfriend material. Husband material. But yeah. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hold on. Why be getting so bright, bro? I be making my quality of my camera look trash. I got a good camera, nigga. Man, there we go. That's how sharp that is. Stop. My fault, y'all, boy. True. Anyway, man. Yeah, like I was saying. Cameras are going crazy. Y'all see what's going, man. They go different colors, like I was saying. All kind of colors, man. Literally. All kind of colors. And it got like the little flow series and it like the trim light do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have the trim light matching the, you feel me? The wheel, you know what I'm saying? With the wheel matching the trim light, you feel me? That's what I'm gonna be doing. But we got that white on white. You know what I'm saying? Cause everything else white, you know what I'm saying? White side marker, white halo. Oh yeah. White stitching in the steering wheel. I really wish I would've went white. Oh yeah, y'all let me know if I should change the color of the stitching from blue to white. So it can match the steering wheel now. Even though the steering wheel could possibly get changed very soon if y'all get 500 likes on this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, I'm being for real. Y'all boys see what's going on. Oh yeah. I already got the airbag. Why would I not get the steering wheel, gang? Oh yeah, be smart, man. Oh yeah, be for real, gang. I'm gonna give y'all about one more pull. And we're gonna get up out of here. Hold on. I knew he was gonna do it. Ooh, wait, y'all heard that? I'm gonna start popping. Let me slow down some more, cause that nigga tripping. Stick 'em. Ooh. Baby hit different, man. Baby hit a little different, man. A little different. I just wish my downshifts was a little snappier, man, like how the newer one be. But we're gonna get there. But without further ado, there's a Dodge Challenger with green lights under it. I don't know why my camera keep getting fuzzy like that, bro. That junk really finna blow me, cuz. Real talk. Bro, y'all nigga go. But yeah, man. That gonna be alright, man, for tonight's video, man. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bells, you feel me, so you won't miss another banger from me. I post shorts daily. I post Hellcat shorts daily now. You feel me? Like, every day. There's Hellcat shorts going up. It's gonna be like that for a minute. It ain't gonna be like that forever. But it just depends on how y'all interact, you know what I'm saying? It could be forever. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. You know what I am? But yeah, man, I post shorts daily, man. Hellcat shorts daily, all kind of shorts. Dealing with a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? Or any other cars. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned, because I got videos on video, man. I'm going in a specific order. So all the real heat, will be in later of the week. Look at that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy get right. You know what I'm saying? And like I say for all my religious folk, man, at the end of my video, man, anybody know what I'm saying, my religious Christian people, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Continue to try to trust in him, get closer, and try to break the habits. I know it's hard. I'm speaking to myself every time I tell y'all this, bro. Like, I'm not trying to be like one of them guys that, you know what I'm saying, be above themselves or be above like whatever. You know what I'm saying? Feeling like they better than everybody. You know what I am? They feel like they just got to talk down to you and tell you what to do, but they ain't even taking their own advice. You know what I'm saying? I take my own advice, bro, as I give it. You feel me? So, y'all boys, you feel me, man? Stay prayed up, man. Stay locked in. Try to follow him, seek him, trust him, have faith, believe in him, you know what I'm saying? And try to obey, bro. It ain't easy, bro. I promise you. I already know it. You ain't got to tell me, gang. I know it. But at the end of the day, man, just spreading the love, spreading a little word, y'all, boy, man. Appreciate all the real supporters out there, man, that still been watching from day one, of people who been here when I had the scat, the RT, you know what I'm saying? All the people like that, man. But I appreciate y'all, boy, man. I wouldn't be doing this without y'all and the Lord, you know what I'm saying? God first, obviously, but, you know what I'm saying, y'all second, bro. I try to stay motivated, man. Y'all, boy, keep me motivated by interacting, bro. That keeps me motivated, bro. You know what I mean? But anyway, man, like I said in all the end of my videos, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.